I'm sold. We're gonna be doing lambs from now on. This is heaven. Brisket and pork butt had a baby and we got it. Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight, hubby brought home a lamb shoulder from a coworker, and we're gonna go ahead and smoke that up tonight. This will be my second time attempting lamb, so hopefully it turns out good, going low and slow on the smoker. So come on along while we get that started. All right, friends, so this is our lamb that we got here. This is either the leg or the shoulder. Hubby got this from a coworker at work. So we're gonna go ahead and smoke this up and see what we think of lamb. I've done it before. I've cooked lamb before, but I cooked it really fast, like a steak, and it was not edible. So this time, everything that I've been seeing is saying to go low and slow. So that's why we're gonna put it on the smoker, really low, for as long as it takes, till this is nice and tender and fall off the bone. All right, so we're gonna completely pat this dry, both sides. As our binder, we're gonna go with some mustard. So we're gonna put some mustard on there. Go ahead and... All right, friends, so now that we've got our mustard on there as our binder, we're gonna go in with some garlic, some kosher salt, and black pepper. Now flip it over, and we're gonna do the same thing on this side. All right, now into the smoker at 225, and we're gonna let it go until it reaches a temperature of 135. All right, friends, so here is our even ember smoker. We've got our pellets. These are a hickory and cherry wood blend. We're gonna get that filled up. And we're gonna get this on. We're gonna start off on smoker just to kind of get this going, and then we're gonna turn it up to 225. And we've got it set at P4, so this is the highest setting for your smoke. All right, now we got this ready to go ahead and go on our smoker. We'll see y'all back in a few hours. All right, friends, it's now 175, so it's time to take it inside and wrap it up, and then get it back out here to finish cooking to 205. All right, friends, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of tabs of butter along the top of this, and then I'm gonna go in with some bone broth that I got here at the bottom just to help moisten everything up, and then we'll go ahead and cover it up and put it back in the smoker. Cover this baby back up. Back out to the smoker we go. All right, friends, 206. Went ahead and took it off. Look at how amazing that looks. So we gotta let it rest 1 hour. I'm gonna go ahead and make some baked potatoes while we let this rest. All right, friends, it's been an hour that we've been letting this rest. I've got my baked potatoes ready, and we're gonna go ahead and see how well this comes apart. Seems pretty tender. Look at that. Ooh, just like a pork butt. Look at this. It's exactly what I was hoping for. The last lamb we had, couldn't even eat it. It was too chewy, and this is just falling apart. All right, let's get it cut up, and then we'll give it a taste. That's really good. I just tried it, and oh my God, this is so good. It tastes like our brisket and our pork butt. Brisket and pork butt had a baby, and we got it.
What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
All right, friends, so here is our lamb shoulder with our baked potato. Let's go in and give it a try. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Absolutely 100% amazing. I'm sold. We're going to be doing lambs from now on. This is heaven. Give it a try, friends. All right, friends. Let me know in the comments what you think about lamb, if you've had it before, and how you cook it. And until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.